So the COVID-19 crisis has had a major economic impact on millions of people, causing all of us to try to take better control of our own financial situation. I know I've been doing a lot more like just looking at things.
Yeah, you're looking closer now. One of the big mistakes that we make with our money is by not checking up on, those monthly payments that they just get auto-deducted from your accounts.
Brutal. That can be things like streaming services. I just canceled too, Steve.
You go, girl.
And magazine subscriptions.
But it could also be things like home insurance. Do you think of that? Auto insurance, where you could be saving some real money every single month. So I got together with Paul Borchert from the Canopy Group over Skype to get some tips on how to save some money in the world of insurance. But we start with the most pressing issue. Check out this guy's hair.
Paul, I feel inclined to start by talking about your hair. Your hair game is pretty strong here. Are you known around the office?
Last night, my 14-year-old boy took the clipper to it.
No.
And he did a good job. The barbers.
Great job.
Being a barber might be in that boy's future.
Oh my gosh. Well, I have not seen a barber since March 3rd. And so I have all of this is glued down. If I had it teased out, it would be a wreck. But man, you're looking put together. That's great.
Monty Hall wore his hair like that, if you remember Let's Make a Deal.
I love the topic of personal finance, and I think that has become front of mind for many people right now in the midst of this. Everybody's looking at their own financial situation with a kind of a magnifying glass right now.
Sure.
And with that, the world of home insurance and auto insurance, it all is a big part of everybody's financial picture. But I feel like it's one that we often overlook. What's your advice when you have people who come to you and don't really know what the heck they're doing in the world of home and auto insurance? Where do you start those conversations?
Well, that's a really good point, and that's why we're up right now as much as we are. Home and auto insurance is kind of a dull topic, and 81% of Minnesotans have one agent who only represents one company. And so they just get into that groove of auto pay and all that. We have 16 different companies, and so we have options. That's what we like to say. We have options for people. And so not only when you come to us as a new client, do we typically save you significant money, but more importantly, you're getting better coverage. And when was the last time, 3 or 4 years down the road, once you become a client, when was the last time your insurance agent reached out to you and said, hey, I got a better deal for you. I can save you another $700 and I can move you to one of the companies within our group. Because each one of those insurance companies, they get overexposed in areas, and so the premiums go up disproportionately, maybe with your specific situation.
How often should we be checking again for better rates that could save us money?
You don't ever do it. Be with an independent insurance company, agency that actually can shop it for you every year. We rerun every single one of our clients every year. So we got about 9,000 clients. We've got about 40,000 home and auto policies. Every day we've got a team dedicated to rewriting our book to make sure you've got the best coverage at the best price.
Anytime just lay people like me are calling up and we're trying to figure out how do we get insurance, what sort of an insurance policy do we get? Deductibles is always where I spend the most time thinking. So you can have a low deductible, you can have a high deductible. Is there sort of an elevator pitch that you can give me to help me understand, like if you have a low deductible versus if you have a high deductible, there's different levels of risk and difference in monthly payments too?
Absolutely. So the higher your deductible is, obviously the lower your premium is going to be, right? So that makes sense. But what we do in every instance is we have what's known as a common loss deductible. So if you have your home, your 2 autos, and your camper on the same policy with us, and a hailstorm comes through, you've only got one deductible. Use this time productively. Try to get your affairs in order while you've got a little extra time on your hands. We have about 315 people on average calling us every month to do just that. If we can't help you, we'll tell you that. But probably 85% of the time, we can provide you better coverage at a better price. But more importantly, we'll do that for you every year.
Man, that's good stuff. That's a little peace of mind. And peace of mind right now goes a really long way. Hey,
Yes.
Before you go, what does your son charge for these haircuts?
he'll do yours for nothing.
Yeah, man. Paul, look at this. You see what happens? I just do that, and look at this.
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll look back at it and laugh someday, right?
Someday. I hope so.
Paul is a fun guy to talk to. If you would like to contact him and his friends at the Canopy Group to find out if they can help you save on your home or your auto insurance, save a little money, go to TwinCitiesLive.com and click on Fun. And a big thanks to the Canopy Group for sponsoring today's show. Stay right there. We're coming right back.